Alright guys, what is up? This is Leroy Garcia here. I'm going to be teaching you guys here on the forums how you can install my microphone clicks on. I'm gonna give you a quick preview right here. So that's a quick preview of what it is, and you can get it from these two downloads. I will send you a link to them under this video. So when you have it, you're gonna want to pause the video after you before until you download it. You're going to uh highlight over it and do Control X. So when you do the Control X, it'll cut from the folder it's currently in. You're gonna want to do that. You're going to want to go to the system folder, app data, local, Teamspeak 3 client, unless you have it in your program files, but I have it in my app data and local. So I cannot help you with finding that unless you have TeamViewer, which you should message me in the forum if you need help. Not immediately. You're going to want to go to sound default. You do not place it in these three. Because this is the channel deleted, channel switch. Same with this is default speech, and this is a no sounds. So you're gonna go to default, and then you're going to do mic, click off, on and off. I'm not gonna copy them back in, cause it bugged my TeamSpeak up last time, and I couldn't hear it for a while until I put in a new one. So you're gonna Control V, and you're going to say yes, I want to replace it. And then you're gonna have to restart your TeamSpeak if you're already in TeamSpeak. So go to settings, options, and then you're going to want to go to playback, and down near the bottom it should say options, and it should say always set clients 3D positions when available. I have that on. Own client plays my clicks. I have that on. Another client plays my clicks. So this bottom one is when someone presses their push to talk or they talk, you'll hear that on them. Or when you click on own client plays my clicks, it's just with you. So I prefer doing just these two. And it's always good to have the mono to stereo, and there's nothing else really. Oh, if you no, yeah, I was gonna say if yeah. So that's basically all for this video. Once again I'll have the links. It is on for shared, so you have to yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm just gonna type in game real quick. Yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching guys, and have a nice day.